So when someone accesses your computer and you allow them to actually hear out the audio, then your computer sound will be transferred to them as well. But if you want to go ahead and change the audio settings and decide how the audio is transmitted, you can click on the hamburger icon right here, and then you can click on settings. Once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go around over here onto audio, and here you can see that you can disable the audio transmission altogether, or you can choose a default audio device as per what your computer has, or audio output of this device, or even go ahead and select the audio device that you have right here just like this, so that only the audio from that particular device will be sent onto the computer that is accessing your computer remotely. Here you can see the audio output as well. So this is the default audio device. You can go ahead and choose the different audio device that you have right here as well. You can even go ahead and choose exclusive audio playback right here just like this as well. So this is how you can go ahead and choose it to have exclusive audio playback only from this particular audio device right here, or just choose the default audio device, or disable the audio output to the other user altogether as well. And this is simply how you can go ahead and manage the audio settings as you like to control how the remote user is actually accessing the audio of your computer via AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.